Up for auction, we have the guts of an Audiometer, model AU1. The outside case was destroyed. All we could salvage is the unit itself. There's a light bulb in it, as you can see there. Let's see what's on the. Let's try this out. Audiometer, audio tone, and here's the top of it. So you got the power on and all that good stuff. Everything seems to work. Just that the outside case is busted. So there you go. That's all the information I have on it. Take a look at the auction listing. Or if you have questions, email me info@currycats.com.